Coach, nakatenga lang investment kong house and lot. Wala akong time i-handle to dahil busy ako sa sarili kong business. Paano kaya ito mapapakinabangan ng hindi nag-aaksaya ng time and effort? Gandang tanong to kasi isipin mo nga naman, nagbi-business ka, tapos nag-invest ka bahit lupa, hindi mo ma-manage yung bahit lupa kasi may business ka. For sure, pag tinanong mo sa ibang tao to, ang sasabihin nila, ipamanage mo or gawin yung paupahan. However, hindi pa rin kasi passive yun eh. Sa ganung way, maglalaan ka pa rin ng time and effort. So ito yung perfect na sagot ko dyan kasi meron na rin akong client na ganyan din ang situation. You can take itong tinatawag na collateralized loan, specifically sangla titulo, in which you can convert your idle real estate assets o mga nakatenga mong bahay at lupa into liquid assets o yung into cash. Here are the 4 reasons kung bakit ito ang perfect solution. Number 1, hindi mo kailangang ibenta yung property mo to get liquid. So dahil hindi mo binenta yung property mo, mapapakinabangan mo pa yun kapag tumaas yung value nun over time. Number 2, dahil liquid ka sa mga nakatenga mong properties, pwede mo magamit yan sa mga investment o business kung saan ka nakafocus, edi make additional capital ka na to expand your business. Number 3, since collateralize itong loan mo, pwedeng malaki ang amount ng maloloan mo or pwede kang makakuha ng mababang interest rate. Number 4 is tax benefit. Yung interest na binabayad mo sa collateralized loan might be tax deductible. Ang tanong, saan ka ba makakuha ng collateralized loan? Isang example dyan is si Prime Global Finance. This is a lending company that could provide collateralized loan for SMEs. Just chat their team at pgfinance.com.ph.